Number 8. Kinsukuru repair with gold. Americans throw stuff away like it is our job. Something breaks and we say, it's broken, let me buy a new one. We are on this replacement treadmill that never stops. This disposable culture is not just wasteful, it is bleeding you dry financially, but nobody talks about it because buying new is so normalized. The Japanese have an art form called Kinsukuru, also known as Kintsugi. When pottery breaks, instead of throwing it away, they repair it with gold, actual gold lacquer. The repaired piece becomes more beautiful and more valuable than the original. The philosophy is simple. Breakage and repair are part of the object's history, not the end of its usefulness. This applies way beyond pottery. Repair your clothes instead of replacing them. Fix appliances instead of buying new ones. Maintain your car instead of upgrading. Restoration over replacement every single time. It is not just philosophical, it is massively economical. Here's what kills me. The average American replaces things that still function perfectly. Out of style does not mean broken, and a new model available does not mean your old one is dead. Marketing has convinced us to replace ourselves constantly, but Japanese culture says use it until it is truly done, and that is a massive financial difference. Let me break down real costs for you. Repairing jeans costs $15, new jeans cost $60, you just saved $45. Repairing an appliance costs maybe $100, a new appliance costs $600, your savings $500. Maintaining your car properly costs $2,000 over 5 years, a new car costs $40,000, your savings $38,000. The math is screaming at you. Here's what you do when something breaks. Google how to repair it, plus the item name. Try DIY first, because YouTube University has a course on everything. If it is beyond your skill level, get a repair quote before buying new. Usually repair costs 20 to 40% of replacement, so choose repair 90% of the time. Now calculate your annual replacement spending. How much did you spend on stuff that could have been repaired? That is leaked wealth, so plug that leak and build wealth instead. A man's laptop died. It was $200 for repair, or $1,200 for a new one. He thought, it's old anyway, I might as well upgrade, so he bought new. 6 months later, he needed a $300 repair on the new one anyway. He realized he could have repaired the old one twice for the cost of the new one. He started practicing Kinsukuru, repaired his shoes for $40 instead of $120 for new, fixed his dryer for $100 instead of $800 new, and patched his jacket for $20 instead of $200 new. In 1 year, he spent $400 on repairs instead of $2,000 on replacements, saving $1,600. Same stuff, better wallet, and less waste. Repair celebrates history, while replacement chases perfection. History is cheaper and more beautiful. The broken thing that gets repaired has more character than the perfect thing that gets replaced. Wait, the most important part is in the following story, because all these habits work together, but there is one final principle that ties everything together and makes it all sustainable. Number 9. Shogunai, acceptance of what cannot be changed.